Hi everyone. This video lecture is designed to help students of Cambridge IGCSE Chemistry 0620 for paper 5 practical test or paper 6 alternative to practical. All candidates take one practical paper from a choice of two. Learning objective: to describe an acid-base titration to include the use of burette, volumetric pipette and suitable indicator, and to describe how to identify the endpoint of a titration using an indicator. Let's see, what is titration? Titration is a laboratory technique which is used to determine the concentration of an unknown solution with the help of a solution of known concentration. Solution of known concentration is taken in burette and solution of unknown concentration is taken in conical flask. The solution that is taken in burette is called as titrant, and the solution of unknown concentration is called titrant or analyte. So it means solution of known concentration is taken in burette and solution of unknown concentration is taken in conical flask. And solution of unknown concentration is called as analyte and solution of known concentration is called titrant. Before diving deep into the process, it is better to know about burette, volumetric pipette and suitable indicator. C. A burette is a graduated glass tube with a tap at one end for delivering known volumes of a liquid. It is a long graduated glass tube with a valve at its lower end and a tapered capillary tube at the outlet. The flow of liquid from the tube to the burette tip is controlled by the valve. This is valve. This is here to help in regulating flow of liquid. And these graduations help in reading the volume of liquid. C. This is the curved surface of colorless solution that is present inside the burette. If we have to read the reading, we will read below this curved surface, and this curved surface is called meniscus. Suppose we have to take the reading, we will take the reading from here, not from here, for colorless solution. What is volumetric pipette? Volumetric pipette allows extremely accurate measurement of the volume of a solution. It is calibrated to deliver accurately a fixed volume of liquid. Volumetric pipettes are also called as bulb pipette. Volumetric pipettes are called as bulb pipette. See, this is the cut mark. It helps in filling the known volume of solution. So, see, this is the picture of volumetric pipette and the volume is written here in the form of like 25 ml, 10 ml, right? So it is written here. Indicator. What is indicator? As the name indicates, indicator is something that indicates the presence of acid or base. Indicator is a compound that changes color at a specific pH value or in the presence of a particular substance. It can be used to monitor acidity, alkalinity, or the progress of a reaction. Litmus. Litmus is a water-soluble mixture of different dyes. It is a very famous indicator. It is extracted from lichens. Lichen is an association of algae and a fungi. These dyes are absorbed on the filter paper to produce litmus paper. The main use of litmus is to test whether a solution is acidic or basic, as blue litmus paper turns red in presence of acid and red litmus paper turns blue in presence of base. Remember, acid turns litmus red. Acid turns litmus red. We can remember from the D of acid, from the D of red. See, blue litmus paper goes red in an acid solution. This is blue litmus paper. It goes red in acid solution, and pink litmus paper goes blue in alkali solution. Next is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a indicator and it is a phthalene dye. It is used an indicator in acid-base titration. It turns colorless in acidic solution. In acidic solution, it shows no color and it shows pink color in basic solutions. Phenolphthalein is a weak acid itself. It can lose hydrogen ion in solution. The non-ionized phenolphthalein molecule is colorless. See, this is the original picture of phenolphthalein. In acid solution, it is colorless. And in basic solution, it is pink in color. In acid solution, in acid, it is colorless. Colorless in acid and pink in base. Pink in base. It shows pink color in base and it is colorless in acid solutions. Next is methyl orange. Methyl orange is a pH indicator frequently used in titration because it gives distinct color